My name is Dr. Bakari Latif. I'm a medical doctor and I work at Arnergy Specialist Hospital. I got to know about Arnergy Solar through a colleague, which is also a medical doctor, who has been using the system for about 2-3 years ago. When I came into Arnergy Hospital as acting MD, I found out that the expenses on diesel generator maintenance supply was just too much. It was more than ₦1 million in 6 months, and I was so mad. How come? If you are spending almost ₦1 million in 6 months just to maintain generator, diesel, petrol, and repair, it's just too much. I now contacted my colleague, which has been using the system. Okay, let me have the idea. And I was so surprised. Initially, the chairman was against it, but I was able to convince him that fine, if you have this kind of system, that it has been tested and trusted, it gives us a better head than spending too much this kind of money on this maintenance and repair. So that's why we started. It was a long journey. We started with a tough decision by convincing him that we have to do this thing, it's best for us. But so far so good. I would say that he has never regretted it. Even he calls me every day to just say thank you. Well, we use it. We have about 30 bedded hospitals, and mostly we try to connect about 15 fans. 15 fans with 5 kV is just too much, but so far it has been serving us well. We at times we use about 2 fridges. We use it in the theater. It's working perfectly well. Once in a while, if there's need, we can use it with AC, but we are trying not to do that. I've recommended Arnergy to 2 of my friends, a medical doctor who owns a private hospital and a friend for a personal use at home. I'm sure they've already started using it.
Contact Arnergy today and enjoy our reliable energy solution. Arnergy, delivering reliable energy